The rise of self-driving cars, legally approved countries, pricing, and how they work. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous or robo-cars, are transforming the future of transportation. With cutting-edge technology, these vehicles are capable of handling all driving tasks, from navigation to monitoring road conditions, without human intervention. As this technology continues to advance, several countries have legally approved the use of self-driving cars on their roads. This article will dive into how these vehicles work, the current legal landscape across different countries, and the pricing models for autonomous cars. How self-driving cars work. Self-driving cars, or autonomous vehicles, AVs, operate using a combination of hardware and software that allows them to navigate roads without human input. The key components include sensors. These cars are equipped with various sensors such as cameras, radar, lidar, and ultrasonic sensors to detect the environment. These sensors help the car perceive obstacles, traffic signals, pedestrians, other vehicles, and road conditions in real time. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. The data collected by the sensors are processed by AI and machine learning algorithms. This allows the car to make decisions such as when to accelerate, brake, turn, or change lanes. AI enables the car to learn and improve its driving over time, based on the data it collects. GPS and mapping systems. Accurate GPS systems help self-driving cars navigate from point A to point B. These vehicles use highly detailed 3D maps to ensure they stay on the correct path and follow the right routes. Control systems. The vehicle's control systems take over tasks like steering, acceleration, and braking. These systems ensure the car obeys traffic laws and reacts appropriately to different driving situations, such as avoiding an obstacle or responding to sudden traffic changes. Communication systems. Autonomous cars are often equipped with V2X, vehicle-to-everything, communication systems, which allow them to communicate with other vehicles, infrastructure, and road systems to improve safety and efficiency. Countries legally approving self-driving cars. Several countries have taken significant steps to approve the testing and deployment of self-driving cars on public roads. The regulatory landscape varies widely by country, with some nations leading in the adoption of autonomous vehicles. United States. Self-driving cars are legal in several states, including California, Arizona, Nevada, Texas, and Florida. Each state has its own regulations, with California leading the way in autonomous vehicle testing and deployment. The U.S. government is working on federal regulations, but the states currently hold the power to approve or deny self-driving cars. Waymo, Cruise, and Tesla are major companies testing autonomous vehicles in the U.S. Germany. In 2021, Germany became one of the first countries to allow Level 4 autonomous driving on public roads, meaning the vehicle can operate without human intervention in specific environments. This is a significant step forward in Europe's autonomous vehicle regulations. German automakers like Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen are key players in the autonomous vehicle market. United Kingdom. The UK allows autonomous vehicle testing and has developed a legal framework to allow for the commercial use of self-driving cars on public roads by 2025. The UK government is investing in AV technology through initiatives like the Centre for Connected and Autonomous Vehicles, CCAV. Japan. Japan has been actively involved in developing autonomous driving technology and has allowed Level 3 self-driving cars on public roads since 2021. Companies like Honda and Toyota are pioneers in Japan's autonomous driving industry. China. China is another major player in the self-driving car industry, allowing testing in cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. The Chinese government has issued permits for autonomous vehicle road testing and is encouraging the development of AV technology. Chinese tech giants such as Baidu and Pony.ai are leading the charge. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The UAE, especially Dubai, has taken a futuristic approach to transportation and has introduced legislation that supports self-driving vehicles. Dubai aims to make 25% of all transportation autonomous by 2030. Singapore. Singapore has developed a comprehensive regulatory framework that allows autonomous vehicles to operate in certain areas. It's one of the most advanced cities in Southeast Asia when it comes to AV technology. Pricing of self-driving cars. The cost of self-driving cars varies significantly based on the level of autonomy and the technology used. Currently, fully autonomous cars are still in the testing phase and are not available for consumers. However, vehicles with semi-autonomous features, such as Tesla's Autopilot or General Motors' Super Cruise, are already on the market. Tesla. Models with Autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) packages range from $40,000 to $130,000, with the FSD package alone costing an additional $12,000. Waymo offers autonomous taxi services, robo-taxis, in select cities, though specific pricing for individual vehicles is not publicly available as they are not sold for personal ownership. Cruise. Cruise is also focusing on ride-hailing services with autonomous vehicles, which is more of a subscription or per-ride cost rather than vehicle ownership. Mercedes-Benz EQS. In 2021, Mercedes introduced Level 3 automation in the EQS sedan, starting at $102,000. The price of fully autonomous cars, once available to the public, is expected to be significantly higher than traditional vehicles due to the advanced technology required. Future implications. As autonomous cars become more common, they are expected to revolutionize transportation by improving road safety, reducing traffic accidents, and lowering carbon emissions. The adoption of self-driving cars could also lead to new business models, such as shared mobility services and robo-taxi fleets. However, the path to full autonomy still faces challenges, including regulatory hurdles, safety concerns, and public trust in the technology. The pricing will likely become more accessible as the technology matures and production costs decrease.